Welcome back to Country Maintenance. Today I got a loose refrigerator door handle. It's not too bad, but it'd be better if it's a little tighter. This one is, they're all a little different. Some of them you have to take the screws off and rotate the handle and then push it down. This one actually has a hidden set screw under right here. We just slide it down and that'll give us, in theory, access to set screw, and I was wrong. This one doesn't have the set screw there. So for this one, it sure looked like it did, huh? So for this one, we just gotta remove the two handles here, or the two Phillips screws. And this is what you'll find on most of them anyway, so I'm kind of glad I get to show you guys this. So rotate it, push it down, and then take it off. And then there's our loose screw right there. So it's just a simple matter tightening it down. It's nice and snug now. And just so you can see the back, how it slides in.
Push it on, pull it up.
No biggie. There it is. These handles are pretty good. They don't break very often on this particular one, this style. They actually changed on some of them, like the Frigidaire ones, to this. It's all a different plastic and they break right here really easy, but I haven't had much trouble with this one. So anyway, now it's nice and tight how it should be. Much nicer feel. It makes the fridge feel more solid. We're good to go. Anyway, thanks for watching Country Maintenance. Over and out.
Looks like I need to hide that
Tighten the
cord
fridge
back
up.
there a little bit better too. So here's the flip side for the freezer. It's the exact same thing. And this one I figured I'd show you the other kind with a hidden set screw. But the two set screws on the bottom, and then either the mounted screw or the hidden set screw. This is the most common things you'll find for fridge door handles. That's how you can tighten a loose one. Thanks for watching Country Maintenance. And there is one other common kind I didn't show here, which is the set screw that we showed. But then it uses an Allen key. Then the Allen key presses into the side of that particular set screw. It's also a common configuration. So sometimes you have to loosen the Allen key, take off the handle, and then tighten the set screw, and then retighten the Allen key underneath that set screw. But it's kind of the same deal. Pretty easy. But figured I'd show it here. That's how you can tighten up some loose fridge door handles.